In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete journal entries in Freshbooks. While Freshbooks doesn't allow true deletion of journal entries, I'll show you a clean, auditable way to mark an entry as incorrect and minimize its impact so your books stay organized. Start by signing in and landing on the dashboard. From there, head to the accounting section. This is where all your core bookkeeping tools live. Next, open journal entries to see the list of entries you've created. If you don't see what you need, make sure you have the right permissions or filters applied and confirm you're in the correct business or date range. Locate the journal entry you want to retire and open it. You'll see the entry details and line items. Click Edit Entry. Editing keeps a clear audit trail, which is important for accurate records and compliance, especially if your accountant reviews your file. In the description field, update the text to clearly communicate what happened, something like incorrect or deleted. The goal is to make it obvious to anyone reviewing the books that this entry shouldn't be considered active. Now adjust the amount so the entry remains balanced but minimal. Change the debit to 1 and the credit to 1. If your entry includes multiple lines, keep debits equal to credits across the lines so the entry still balances. Using a value of 1 on each side creates a tiny placeholder that preserves the history without leaving a significant impact on reports. This approach maintains transparency while signaling that the original figures are no longer valid. Once your description and amounts are updated, click Save. You'll return to the journal entries list with the updated entry in place. From here on, the entry will be easy to identify as incorrect, thanks to your description, and it won't materially affect your financials because the amounts are minimal. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Document why you changed the entry in that description so future you or your accountant has context. If you're unsure about how this affects your reporting, check with your accounting professional, and remember the goal is clarity and balance. You're preserving the audit trail while clearly indicating the entry shouldn't be used. That's it. You've effectively handled a journal entry that can't be deleted in Freshbooks by editing it, labeling it clearly, and reducing it to a minimal, balanced amount.